Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your cloud security architecture with AWS detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cloud security architecture. Identify potential vulnerabilities in your existing setup. Conduct a comprehensive risk assessment to prioritize threats. Consider compliance requirements specific to your industry. Define clear security objectives based on your risk assessment. Explore AWS security services available to strengthen your architecture. Start with AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM. Implement the principle of least privilege for account permissions. Regularly review and audit IAM policies to ensure compliance. Utilize AWS organizations to manage multiple accounts effectively. Integrate AWS CloudTrail for logging and monitoring account activity. Set up AWS config to evaluate the configuration of your AWS resources. Use Amazon Guard Duty for threat detection and continuous monitoring. Deploy AWS Shield for protection against DDoS attacks. Incorporate Web Application Firewall, or WAF, to shield your applications. Establish a secure network topology with Amazon VPC. Segment your VPC using subnets to isolate sensitive workloads. Utilize security groups and network access control lists, or NACLs, for traffic control. Implement encryption for data at rest using AWS Key Management Service, or KMS. Ensure data in transit is protected with TLS encryption. Regularly patch and update all AWS services to mitigate vulnerabilities. Establish an incident response plan tailored to AWS environments. Conduct regular security training for your team to maintain awareness. Leverage AWS Security Hub for a comprehensive view of security alerts. Create a monitoring strategy that includes AWS CloudWatch for real-time insights. Review and refine your security policies as your architecture evolves. Conduct routine security assessments and penetration testing to identify weaknesses. Document all changes and maintain an up-to-date security architecture diagram. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.